Hi, welcome to part 3 of building my rat rod, rat flea boat here, and you're probably wondering, why is he sitting in the editing suite and why is he not showing us how to use the hammer and put the boat together? Well, I gotta be honest with you, I did a lot of recording of the building process, and then for some reason I kind of stopped recording and I kept working on the boat. And then before I knew it, it was in the water. So what do you need to know between part 2 and what should have been part 3, the actual building of the boat? Not a lot. I did some more fiberglass and epoxy and sort of fixed up all the seams on the boat. Added the steering wheel, which is not rocket science by any means, and put on my 1965 9.8 horsepower Mercury, and that's about it. So basically what I'm going to show you now is part 3, but we go right to Cashy Lake with the in-water testing. So that's kind of really all I have to say. The best part, of course, is getting the boat in the water. So we're going to go right from the building here right to the water. So sit back and watch.
September, it's 34 in the shade. We're finally getting a rat flea going, and we have our official Muskoka Seaflea test driver. We're gonna get the boat going here. We've got our pipes here, and of course our rat here, and of course our awesome 9.8 horsepower 1963 Mercury twin Hurricane motor. And ironically enough, the Firestone fuel-o-matic tank has the same connector as this Mercury. So we're all set here. We're gonna get her launched and fired up. You recording? All right, we're doing take 2 here. So Aiden's gonna take this out for a spin, and we'll see how it looks. And we're up and running. Did you get soaked? You have a bathtub? Awesome. Okay, let's go home. Oh, I need to bail you out a bit, right? All right. Will the boat plane? Nope.
Guarantee it won't. You'll either do that or the car.
All right.
This one?
Yeah. Here, go on up and I'll bail you out. Still recording?
Still recording.
That's why you need your safety gear. Bail out the Seaflea. When you go through a wave and not over it.
Takes a licking and keeps on ticking. Get the rat! Get the rat! Okay. Take it out, baby!
There we go, we finally got the rat flea on video. So, pretty rocking. We got wet, we got soaked, we got flooded out. I don't know, everything happened. It was pretty cool. So, I'll be editing this puppy in February sometime. So, I don't know. From Muskoka Seaflea, I'm Chris Taylor. And Andrew Taylor. Signing off. And Roxy. And I didn't drop the GoPro. That's a good thing. Never drop the GoPro.
Especially in the water.
Yeah.